Hi, Gummy. Gummy, where's the pump? Right there. Okay. And today we're going to tell people that it's a really good idea to have a manual pump. And you know why that is? Because what if the power goes off? Then the pump won't work. But if you have a manual pump on top, then you can still get water. And you can still use the water for your trees.
I can't do.
Oh yeah, you can get closer. You can show people how you do it. See? That's right. You do it like that. And then water will come out there. Now I have, the valve is closed, so you're not
Daddy,
gonna...
open it.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the water
Let's
can
open
come
it.
out.
Okay, let's open it and see if we can get water out of here.
Okay, Daddy.
Now you can also, in case of a hurricane or anything else like that, you
Let's
can...
see if the water is gonna come out.
Yeah, we'll try now. You can use this pump and you can get water. You can put
Daddy,
water in your
Daddy.
vegetables and trees.
Okay.
Plus, it doesn't cost money because the city...
Let's see if it works.
Okay.
It's not working.
Okay, Daddy's gonna try. It will work. Just gotta give it... Okay, let me teach you. It lost the vacuum on there. So we can pump it and eventually draw it up. But it's an easier way to do it, which I'm gonna show you. You pour a little bit of water on the top and it'll work a lot faster. So let me show you that. This is what you do. You take a little bit of water and you put it, and it fills up, and now you start pumping it and it'll work a lot faster.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Go ahead.
Okay.
But it's gonna get hard. Okay, keep going. I'll help you. I'll help you a little bit.
How? Oh my goodness. You're getting me all wet.